Easy Elite English Educational Trust. We are coming with adjectives for primary level. Adjectives for primary level from Easy Elite English under stress-free learning for children. The learning objective. First, to identify describing words or adjectives in a sentence. And second, to use describing words with a noun. First of all, you identify the adjective in a sentence and how to use adjectives with a noun. So let's start our class. Adjectives for primary level. Now, what are the work or what is the work of adjective? What is the main work of adjective? What is the work of adjective? The work of adjective. What does an adjective do? Adjectives describe nouns. They describe what kind of a person or thing it is. A person can be honest, a person can be tall, a person can be kind, a person can be rude. Similarly, things. A thing can be strong, a thing can be weak, it can be big, it can be small. Adjectives will describe nouns and they tell us more about nouns. They give us extra information. They tell us something more about the nouns. And incidentally, we may recall that what are nouns? Nouns are names of persons, places, animals, or things. Names of persons, names of places, names of animals, names of things, they are called nouns. And words which describe nouns or words which tell you something more about the nouns, they are adjectives. Now here is an example. We have a boy here. We have a boy here. See, this is a boy. Now, we are saying he is a smart boy. He is a smart boy. So the adjective smart, why it is called an adjective? Because it describes the noun boy. Boy is a noun and smart describes the noun. Smart boy, it describes the boy, it describes the noun. So smart is an adjective. So smart is an adjective which describes boy or an adjective describes a noun. Now supposing another boy comes, not this boy, another boy comes. Now what are the words you could use to describe any boy, not this boy, any boy? What are the words you will use to describe? You can say a good boy, you can say a bad boy, you can say a tall boy, you can say a short boy, you can say a kind boy, you can say a clever boy, you can say a foolish boy, you can say a greedy boy, you can say a strong boy, you can say a weak boy. So these are adjectives. All the words written in red. Good, bad, tall. They are describing the noun boy. So these are adjectives. So with a noun, boy is a noun. You can use adjectives to describe good, bad, tall, short, kind, clever. So these are adjectives. Now here is another. Now this is about a place. It's a big garden. It's a big garden. Garden is a noun because it's a place. And big describes the garden. So what are the other things we can use? We can say it's a big garden, it's a small garden, it's a beautiful garden. So there are other adjectives we can use. But any adjective, any word, which will tell you something more about garden, that would be an adjective. So you can say a big garden, big is an adjective. A small garden, small is an adjective. A beautiful garden, beautiful is an adjective. Here we have a green parrot. A green parrot. So green is an adjective describing the noun parrot. Parrot is a noun. It's the name of a bird. And green describes the noun. So green is an adjective. So the adjective green describes the noun parrot. Green parrot. It is a round ball. So ball is a noun. This is a noun, a thing. Boy was a person. Garden was a place. Now ball is a noun. And round is describing that ball, the shape of the ball. The ball is round. So round ball, round is an adjective describing the noun ball. Round is an adjective. Ball is a noun because it is a thing. And round is an adjective because it is describing the thing. I have 3 pens. I have 3 pens. Pens are nouns. 1 pen is a singular noun. 3 pens would be a plural noun. The 3 describes the noun pens. How many pens? The 3 describes the count, the number of pens. So 3 is an adjective. So when we had a smart boy, smart adjective describing boy, which is noun. Big garden, big is adjective describing garden, which is noun. Green parrot, green adjective, parrot noun. Round ball, round is adjective, ball is noun. 3 pens, 3 is adjective, and pens noun. So adjectives are words. Adjectives are words which describe the nouns. They could be describing the quality: smart, tall, short, kind, lazy, intelligent, clever, brave. They could be describing the size: big, small, tiny, huge, large. They could tell you about color: green, red, white, black. They could tell you about shape: round, square, oval, conical. They could tell you the count: 3, 5, 20, many, a few, a dozen. They could tell you about the quantity of things: little, a little water, much, a lot of milk, lot of, some, any. So they could be telling you about quantity, about the count, about the shape, the color, the size, or the quality. Now pick the correct adjectives. Elephants are. You have to choose the right word. Obviously, elephants are big animals. Big is an adjective. Big is an adjective. Elephants have a short or long trunk. You can see here the picture. Elephants have a long trunk. The elephants have a long trunk. Elephants have dash tusk. You can see the tusk is always white. The elephants always have white tusks. And elephants are strong or weak. Elephants are very strong. So strong elephants, white tusks, long trunks, and big animals. So big, long, white, strong, these are adjectives describing the elephant. So now fill in the blanks. A mouse is small, which is adjective. Small, the size. And the opposite would be an elephant is big. Sorry, but is missing here. There should be a but. Mr. Roy is strong. Strong is an adjective. The opposite would be, but Mr. Day is weak. Reena is short. Short is an adjective, but Tina is tall. These sums are easy. Easy is an adjective. but those sums are hard or difficult. You can use both, either hard or difficult. A butterfly is beautiful, but a cockroach is ugly, opposite of beautiful. Sita is thin. Thin is an adjective, but Simran is fat. F-A-T, fat. Our hair is black. Adjective, describing the color, but our tooth is white. The sun is hot. Hot is an adjective, which tells you about the sun, but ice is cold, opposite. Sometimes we are happy. It describes our state of mind, but sometimes we are sad or unhappy. Cheetah, it should be a cheetah, or cheetahs are, not is. Cheetahs are. It should be are, not is. Cheetahs are fast, but a tortoise is slow. Fast, it is describing that cheetah is a fast animal. Describing cheetah, fast animal. Tortoise is a slow animal, it's slow. Coconut trees are tall. Tall trees. Tall trees. Tall is a size. Rose bushes are short. The grandfather is old, describing the age of the grandfather, but the child is young, old opposite young. Angels are kind, the nature kind, but demons are unkind or cruel. So we can pick out the right one. A peacock is beautiful. So beautiful bird, beautiful adjective describing peacock. A feather is light. Light describes feather, adjective describing noun. The hare is swift, means fast. So swift describes hare. The tortoise is slow. Slow is an adjective describing tortoise. So in this way we can see the adjectives. And here I've got a picture. The tortoise. How would you say? A slow tortoise. A light feather. A strong lion. A sour lemon. A beautiful peacock. So like this we can have adjectives for nouns. That was Easy Elite English. You can WhatsApp us or email us. And incidentally, the PowerPoint for this was made by Vithya from Bangalore, and we have a contact number in the description box. So if you want to contact, you can contact her for any PowerPoint. So from Easy Elite English, where you can WhatsApp or email for any video on any topic, English or mathematics or science, from class 1 to class 10, any videos, any topic, any subject. So all our services are entirely free of charge. So thank you and goodbye.